A wet bar isn't just a home feature, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Whether you entertain often or simply love a well-designed space, a stylish wet bar can turn any corner of your home into a showpiece. Today, we're exploring creative wet bar design ideas that blend function, personality, and modern elegance. In this video, we'll break down the essential elements behind building the perfect wet bar. We'll explore layout planning, storage solutions, materials, and finishes, and the little touches that elevate the entire experience. Let's dive into the details. Start with choosing the right location. Whether it's a dedicated wall, a kitchen extension, or a corner in the living room, a good wet bar layout makes the space feel intentional. Consider how you want to move between prepping, mixing, and serving. Open layouts feel modern, while compact, built-in nooks save space without compromising style. Add designated zones for prep work, storage, and display. This keeps everything functional and visually balanced. If these wet bar design ideas gave you inspiration for your next home upgrade, make sure to like this video and share it with someone planning a stylish bar setup. Storage is what makes a wet bar efficient. Use a combination of open shelves and closed cabinets. Open areas create display moments, while cabinets keep the essentials tucked away. Vertical shelving maximizes small spaces, and built-in niches add character. Don't forget space for glassware and accessories. A clean and well-arranged bar instantly looks more polished. Which wet bar style did you love most? Modern, rustic, glam, or classic? Drop your favorite in the comments below. The materials you choose define the mood of your wet bar. Sleek stone gives a modern edge, warm wood adds coziness, and subtle metallic accents can bring a luxurious touch. Reflective surfaces bounce light beautifully and make the area feel larger. Balance durability with aesthetics. This is a high-use area, so choose finishes that stand the test of time while still looking stunning. For more home design inspiration, small renovation ideas, and stylish decor tips, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Styling is what brings your wet bar to life. Add thoughtful lighting to highlight the area. Warm overhead lights, subtle shelf lighting, or soft glow under the counter. Incorporate decorative accents, cohesive colors, and simple accessories that elevate the mood without overwhelming it. A few well-placed touches can take the wet bar from functional to unforgettable. And that's a wrap on modern wet bar design ideas. Whether you prefer something bold or something minimal, the best wet bars combine smart planning, stylish materials, and a comfortable atmosphere. With the right design approach, this small space can easily become one of the most impressive spots in your home.